Well, good morning. I'm back in the shop and I figured I'd tell you what I'm going to be up to. So, look, my videos have always been about dioramas and everything around dioramas, but I think I'm missing part of that because, you know, my workshop, it's behind you. We're going to take a look at that in a second. I'm going to talk a little bit about it. But the point is I also want to help you build your own amazing space. You know, how to build and set up and outfit and you know, take a special craft or a special thing, hobby that you're into and develop a space where you can do it. Now, I'm pretty fortunate. I've got a freestanding building that we built in 2012 that I have all my craft stuff in, all my hobbies. I mean, I've got everything in here. I've got my model building bench, which is right here, but that's just one corner. And I've got metalworking, I've got woodworking, both power and hand woodworking. I've got a design area, I've got storage, I've got dust collection, I've got all these things. I've got a full office. I have basically a studio right here for recording and doing videos and recording as I'm building. In the office, I've got a full editing, I guess, studio where I do my full videos. I've got, you know, all the stuff. And it's such a wonderful place because when I come into my shop, I can do pretty much anything I want. And because I like and have varied interests and things like that, I think it's important to kind of hit all of those. You may not be like that. You may like, you know, look, model building is my only thing, or diorama building, or maybe woodworking or something like that. All of those are encompassed in here, but I also want to kind of give you some tips about how to achieve that in your own home. You know, setting up a space, building out maybe a small shed or a room in your home, part of your garage, whatever it takes to get you that space. Because man, you know, when I come in here, I'm inspired just from being in here. I've got the materials, I've got the tools, I've got the workspaces all set up to do all these different things. And for me, that allows me to kind of just do whatever is important that day. And what I mean is, okay, so here's an example. So here's just a little diorama I put together, you know, a few weeks ago. And to do this, you can have a pretty small area, but I also have woodworking so I could actually turn this base. I have an area set up where I have a downdraft table that allows me to carve the foam that the base is made out of. I've got my model bench here to go ahead and build my models and paint and all that kind of stuff, to include my painting booth and curing booth. And then I've got the office to go ahead and produce the videos and edit the videos and all that kind of stuff. So, like I said, pretty fortunate. But you don't need all of that. But if you do aspire toward that, I think it's a journey. It's not like this weekend I'm going to set this up. No, it took me years to get here. So there's a bunch of stuff that I did along the way. There's a bunch of things that I learned along the way. And I want to share as much of that with you as I can. So not changing the format. I'm opening up a little bit more because the shop is really my passion. Model building is amazing. Diorama building is amazing. That's how I kind of express my passion. But the passion is for building. The passion is for having a place where my creativity just goes bonkers and I can do whatever I want. And I think that's achievable for lots more people than you know, just they're like, oh man, I wish. Well, those wishes have to start somewhere. And for me, it started in a very, very small place because, you know, we just didn't have any room for it. So I'm going to take you on that journey. I'm going to talk to you all about it. I've even got the plans for the shop, so later on I can talk about, building the shop and what it took to do that. All the permitting, I did all the permitting myself. I did have somebody else build it, which I think is a great idea, but it doesn't have to be that way. So anyway, getting back to the whole point of this video is I want to show you how to create a wonderful workshop or workspace where you can do the things that you're passionate about. So that's what's going to happen. That's what we're going to be doing here going forward in the shop. So what's next? Well, I think the first thing that has to happen is you have to decide on what you want to do in your space. So we're going to talk about that. As I was building these shops over years with my wife, I've done this all together with my wife of 29 years now. It was really important that I showed her that I'm really passionate about that. It's not like a something that I'm just going to do for a while and I got over that. No. It's really defining the things that are really key and core to the kind of creating that I want to do. There's so many things in this shop that I'm doing. It's important that I can, use those tools if my interests do shift. So we're going to talk about that. I'm going to explain a few things that are important in deciding what you want to do in the future and how to lay the groundwork for a workshop, a place where you can enjoy your passion. So that's next time. I hope you give me some comments on this video because I really want to go ahead and bring your comments, your ideas, and your experiences into this video so that I can give you real answers about how to achieve what you want to do. So thanks very much for watching today. I hope you have a wonderful day. And remember, if you want a workshop, you can build it. It's not going to maybe happen tomorrow, but you can build it with a little bit of prior, planning and resource management because it does cost some money over a long amount of time. We'll see ya.